What makes me say that? Well, like I said, and by the way, yesterday in the unboxing video, I had made note that so I'm taking this bolt off for the first time right now, and we're going to see the condition of the bolt action on the inside, how well preserved that was as well. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There is some rust buildup in the inside. I'm glad that I did that. Might need to do a little bit of fix up on that. Let's see here. Yeah, there is a lot of rust buildup there. Okay. Wear away. So what I'm doing is I'm just trying to rub off some of this rust from the top surface of it because I want to see how much of it is in there. I don't want rust. That's not something that you want. I mean, look at all this. It is really coming off. And I'm using brake cleaner. Why? Well, because when I was doing my bicycles and I was restoring a Sturmey Archer 3-speed hub, it's a drum brake that it had. So I looked up drum brake care and saw with automotive parts that essentially it's the same thing as a car's drum brake, and the inside was all cruddy and a little bit of rust was starting to form. So I went ahead and got some brake cleaner and it worked wonders. And I'm like, well, what type of cleaner would I use for cleaning rust off of the same exact material for my Tailors shears, right? Brake cleaner works perfectly, and it's non-destructive. As far as I could tell, it's not doing any kind of harm to the actual crystalline structure of the forged steel or iron. Well, that's taken care of, but the more I think about it, I don't know, the more I'm inclined to actually I'm trying to restrain myself because I promised myself that I wouldn't do this entire thing, but see, there's the mechanics of it. That's what I'm talking about. You can keep things looking pretty, but they won't be functional. So I'm debating. And then, once you start cutting part of it and taking all of the patina off, then it's like, well, it doesn't look good because it's halfway done. So once you get to that point, then you're like, okay, well, I might as well do the rest of it. And that's when we've gotten into a whole different idea than what you've originally started. I mean, I wouldn't mind, and I don't mind doing the entire thing. I just thought it would be nice to have one pair that still has that aged look, just for the hell of it, just for aesthetics. But function over form. If the thing is not properly maintained, it doesn't function properly, and if redoing the entire thing and restoring it is the key to making that functionality happen, then so be it.
almost there. Almost there. I don't know what brake cleaner's made of. It's made of death. I know that. Haha. Yes, they're made of liquid death. See, this is what's leading me to believe that I should just completely restore these. Yep. Okay, so that's what this project is going to turn into. I'm just going to go ahead and completely redo them because see these splotches here? It's clean steel underneath here, underneath this thick layer of rust. I don't want rust to be on here. So